Hi Flowmies, my name is Lucas from Flowstar, also known as Heat Source. Today I'll be giving you a very short tutorial on a move I like to call the Jellyfish. It's a bit silly, it's a bit fun, but it should at least amuse your audience or your friends. So to start with, I spin in with my right hand. If you spin in with your other hand, start it like that. Now we want to do a slightly slower spin, and we go low, and then grab your right other hand and you just bounce 3 bounces. 1, 2, 3. And that's the Jellyfish. It's pretty simple, but it is very fun and creative. And what I'd like to see is if you do film yourself doing the Jellyfish, tag me and I'll reshare it. I'd like to see Jellyfish around the world. So yep, like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.